Natutuwa pa.
Nicholas, what are you eating? What are you eating? Are you eating an onion?
That?
Huh?
That?
Yeah?
She's correct.
You're eating an onion. Oh my god. Crunchy, isn't it? Oh! He's gonna like it. Oh! Finally! You haven't given up yet? Oh, you're still eating it? Even after all that? It's kind of like those people who eat chili sauce or hot barbecue wings. Yeah. Suicide wings. Where's your onion? Are you still eating your onion? Hey. Can I see how much have you eaten? He's licking the glass. Just to see if it'll take the It's like, here, I'll give you an apple juice, honey. Apple juice?
Sarap? Sarap onion? Sarap onion.
Tingnan mo, hindi kinain na niya.
Hindi siya naangangan?